Hello everyone, welcome to Maker Monday. We're going to learn quite a few things tonight. Let's get into it.
How to create a bar chart in Microsoft Excel. When you open Microsoft Excel, you have a screen that is displayed similar to the picture to the right. Left-click on the blank workbook icon to open a new Microsoft Excel worksheet. When you left-click on a cell, it will have an outline around the cell, seen on cell F15 in the picture on the right. Once you see the outline, you can type in your data. For instance, this example has January typed in the B4 cell. You can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move to another cell or left-click on a different cell to enter more data. Each tap on an arrow key will move the selected cell one space in the direction you pressed. You can also hold down the arrow keys to quickly move in the pressed direction. Once you have your data entered, you will have to highlight what you want to be included in the chart. For this chart, I held down the left mouse button on month and dragged the mouse down to $811.24 and let go of the mouse button. This puts a border around all my cells as seen in the picture to the right, and this will be included when we make our table. With our data highlighted, we'll now move our mouse up to the Insert tab and left-click on it. We'll be taken to the Insert section and we'll be looking for the Chart subsection. The tab and subsection are highlighted in the picture to the right. To create the bar chart, we'll move the mouse to the column chart icon highlighted in the top right picture and left-click on it. This will bring up a menu and we can choose what type of bar chart we want to use. For this example, we will select 3D clustered bar by left-clicking on it. To modify the style of your bar chart, left-click on the chart to highlight it, and then click on the paintbrush icon to bring up the Style and Color menu. You can scroll through a variety of styles and select which one you want by left-clicking on the style you like. To modify the colors used on the chart, left-click on the Color tab to switch to the Color Set menu. From here, you will follow the same process as you did in Styles. You can select which set of data appears on your graph. Say, for instance, you want to remove the food data set from your graph. You will click on the funnel-shaped icon highlighted in the picture in the top right. Left-click on the box you want to remove from your graph. You can see the food section doesn't have a check mark in the box by it, and the food bar is highlighted in the graph. Click Apply, and you can see that the bottom picture is now missing the food data set. If you ever want to add the food data set back, just click the box by it and press Apply again. The Name section will allow you to remove the months and the legend text. The Chart Elements section allows you to toggle different elements of your graph on and off. Grid lines will add or remove grid lines from the graph. Legend adds or removes the legend from the graph. Data table will add your Excel dataset cells to your graph. Chart title adds or removes the chart title. Speaking of chart title, you can rename your title by double left-clicking on the chart title section of your graph. Make sure you see the cursor in the chart title section before you press delete. If you don't see it, try to click off the graph and slowly clicking the left mouse button twice on chart title. From here, you can hit backspace and place whatever name you want into the chart. If you ever need to modify the data on your chart, just go back to one of the cells that is part of the chart. For instance, I left-clicked on the December cell and renamed it to Testing. After typing in Testing, I pressed the Enter key and the chart was updated to replace December with Testing. Make sure you have all your data highlighted before you try creating a chart. Otherwise, you will just create a chart with no data. You can modify any data on the chart by clicking the cell you want to change, putting in a new value, and pressing Enter. You can also create other charts such as the line graphs and pie charts. You can find these in the Chart subsection. Don't forget to save your data by clicking on the File tab and either selecting Save As or Save.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more Maker Monday videos, check out this playlist. You can also learn more about the JCPL CreatorSpace at www.jesspublib.org/CreatorSpace.